welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I invite you to a short presentation of the mini photo album in a box. A tutorial for this project will soon be available on my channel. Before I show you the album, I would like to share 3 exploding boxes I recently created. I want to share them with you because they are nothing else like smaller versions of the project I will offer. If you learn to make the big one, you can definitely make the smaller one. The standard size of an exploding box is 10 by 10 centimeters. However, the box we will create measures 14 by 14 centimeters. Although there is only a 4 centimeters difference in size, the contrast between the two boxes is quite noticeable. Have you ever decorated an exploding box? This is one of my favorite handicrafts, along with creating albums and pop-up cards. I've often mentioned it on social media, and I agree that February flew by for me under the theme of exploding boxes. I like making them, so I decided to treat myself that month. When folded, they look like regular boxes. However, the sides of the box bend outwards, and inside they hide a surprise. This is what I like the most about these boxes. The exploding box is an extraordinary gift, different from many others, perfect for everyone who loves unique and beautiful items. Due to its unusual form, it's guaranteed to be noticed and remembered. It's both a card and a gift box and can accommodate smaller souvenirs inside. The size of the box are a great creative workspace. There is enough space to include notes, greetings, compositions, pockets, flaps, photos, and much more. The box center is a great space to unleash your creativity. You are limited only by your imagination. So today I want to show you 3 exploding boxes for inspiration, because the concept behind creating them was the same. However, there are some differences that I would like to highlight. You can use these examples for the project that will be the focus of the upcoming tutorial. The sweet exploding box is an excellent birthday present idea for a teenage girl. It also makes a fantastic gift for a young woman leaving home to embark on a new chapter as she goes to college or university. The box lid refers to a lady's dressing table with a mirror, cosmetics, and feminine accessories. All 4 inner walls of the box were decorated with paper embellishments, creating charming 3D compositions. This mini album measures 8.5 by 8.5 centimeters and can be used in various ways, such as collecting smaller photos. However, my primary intention in creating it was slightly different. It's a wonderful place to share warm wishes, thoughts, sentiments, and wisdom with your daughter, sister, or friend. The small album can transform into a cherished book of generational wisdom. The wedding exploding box is a fantastic alternative to a standard greeting card. Paper embellishments decorate the box's left and right inner walls, creating 3D compositions. However, the top and bottom inner walls feature pockets perfect for storing money. Again, the mini album can store smaller photos, but it also provides a lovely space for sharing warm wishes, thoughts, sentiments, and advice with the newlyweds. I'm sure that every young couple will value the originality and uniqueness of this gift. The last exploding box I decorated using my paper collection called Timeless Moments. This time, all the inner walls feature flaps and pockets to hold cards and tags for smaller photos or notes. All the inner walls of the presented boxes have been decorated in such a way that when they are opened, they face the viewer. However, you can choose to decorate them in any direction. The directions on the inside walls will then face the viewer after rotating the box around its vertical axis. When decorating inner walls, keeping one more thing in mind is important. Regardless of whether you're creating a composition, a pocket, flaps, or something else, make sure that the walls of the box are decorated evenly. Going overboard may cause the box not to fit correctly, and when closed, may cause gaps to appear between the walls. This will disrupt the overall aesthetics and may cause issues when placing the lid on. I experienced this myself while decorating an exploding box for a teenage girl. Creating a composition on the right wall, I forgot myself a little bit and later noticed a small gap between the walls. While it's not a big mistake or the end of the world, it's worth remembering when decorating. It's time to present the project that will be the focus of the upcoming tutorial. As I mentioned, the box measures 14 by 14 cm and its central element is a mini photo album measuring 12.5 by 12.5 cm. This album is designed to hold photos 10 by 10 cm and smaller. This is the project's blank base and it feels a bit wobbly and unstable right now. It looks like that because as I was creating the project, I didn't have a complete concept of how I would decorate it. I chose a decorative paper collection, but the idea for decorating hasn't been fully finalized. So, for the moment, some of the pockets, closures and the box's centerpiece have been attached using Scotch tape. I will provide more details during the tutorial, so I won't go into that now. The inner walls on the left and right sides of the box are mirror refractions of each other, and I use the same method for the top and bottom walls. Reaching the top wall would be problematic because an album is in the middle of the box. Therefore, the top and bottom walls were designed horizontally. After rotating the box around its vertical axis, you will reach the top wall. If you like the project and want to learn more, I invite you to check out my upcoming tutorial on my channel. The tutorial will be divided into two parts. In the first part, we will create a box, and in the second part, we will design the walls and create the album. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.